Hello students, in this class of ours we are going to study circles, mathematics, class 10th and chapter 10. It's a very important question and the statement of question can be made like this. A circle with center O, to this circle two tangents are drawn, PT and QT or TP and TQ from an external point T, and we need to prove that angle PTQ, that is this angle, and let me call this is a theta. So angle PTQ is equal to 2 times then angle OPQ, that is this angle. So this angle is equal to twice of this angle, that we have to prove. So we will see this angle, which undoubtedly can be called as TPQ, and this angle which can be called TQP. I will name this as 1 and this as 2, and I will write one equation here. Angle PTQ plus angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, and this is by angle sum property. See, in triangle PTQ, we have in triangle PTQ, this is Q, this is 1 and this is 2. These three angles, and together their sum must be 180 degree. That is by angle sum property of a triangle. Now another thing that you can see in this same triangle is in triangle, let me write here, in triangle PTQ. In triangle PTQ, I can write PT is equal to QT. These are lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point onto the same circle, and by theorem they are equal. In our previous video we have proved this. So we can definitely write TP is equal to TQ or PT is equal to QT. These are lengths of tangents drawn from an external point onto the same circle, and they are equal. So these are equal, I have said equal by theorem, let me say. These are equal by theorem, and now we can say that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. In a triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. This is triangle, these are the angles opposite to equal sides, so they are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and from here we can conclude that angle P2Q, which we have named as theta, so angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus theta. We have named this angle as theta, the value of angle is theta, so angle 1 plus angle 2, 180 degree minus PTQ, which is theta, so we have written like this. Now let us say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From here, if you want to find out what is angle 1, you can undoubtedly write 180 degree minus theta divided by 2. So this will come out to be 90 degree minus theta by 2. Separately, if you divide 180 degree by 2 and also minus theta by 2, so this will come. Now we have reached that angle 1 is 90 minus theta by 2. Also there is one theorem which says that tangent at any point of a circle, is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Here for this circle, OP is the radius, TP is the tangent, and the point of contact is P. So undoubtedly OP is perpendicular to TP. Now if I want to find out this angle, and though this angle is OPQ, we have named this angle OPQ, but for some time let me write as 3, angle 3. Now if I write here, I want to find out angle 3. I can definitely do so by doing 90 degree minus angle 1. You can see it here. From here to here it is 90 degree, from here to here it is angle 1, and if you want to find out angle 3, undoubtedly from 90 degree, if you minus angle 1, you will be left with angle 3. So angle 3 I have written is equal to 90 degree minus angle 1, which can be written as 90 degree minus 90 degree, and within a bracket putting this minus theta by 2. So this becomes 90 degree minus 90 degree and plus theta by 2. So now this I will rub because it is confusing us. So this was 90 degree minus theta by 2. Now we can definitely write 90 degree minus 90 degree and plus theta by 2. This will get cancelled. So angle 3 is theta by 2. Angle 3 is theta by 2 and this is theta. So this angle is twice of this theta by 2. That is what we were to prove. So this was a very important question, and the statement of the question was like this: a circle with center O having two tangents drawn onto itself, one is TP, another is TQ from the external point T, then we need to prove that angle PTQ, that is this angle, is twice of angle OPQ. OPQ we have named as 3, and this TPQ is named as 1, and angle TQP is named as 2. Theta plus this all together 180 degree. So 1 plus 2 is 180 degree minus theta, and also we know angle 1 is equal to angle 2 because they are the angles opposite to equal sides, and these sides of triangle PTQ are equal because they are the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point onto the same circle. They are always equal. So this is how we have gone about.